So let me show you how to screen mirror your OnePlus 15 to your Windows PC. Now, before you can screen mirror, just make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. And also on your Windows computer, make sure you have downloaded and installed the O Connect app. Now that app is free directly from the OnePlus website. So it's called O Connect. This one right here. Make sure you download and install that app. Okay. Now with that app installed, even when it's not launched, as long as it's running in the background, you can go to your OnePlus 15 and hit settings. Under settings, go to device connect, tap on that, and then you will see PC. So tap on that, and then you can see it detects this PC right here. So tap on that, and then you can see anything you can do. You can see the option to screencast. Okay, so tap on cast, and that's going to screen mirror your OnePlus phone wirelessly to your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.